As we age, our physical strength fades slowly. After 40, stress builds and our hormones begin to shift. You don't need pills. Smart, simple exercise can rebuild strength and support real, lasting results.
I feel stronger, more focused, and more alive. These exercises changed everything for me and for us.
You've just seen it, the kind of morning every man deserves. Calm, focused, and full of quiet strength. Not because life got easier, but because he moved with purpose. And that feeling? It's not reserved for the lucky. You can rebuild it in just a few minutes a day. No pills, no gimmicks. Just the right movements, done with intention. Why does it matter? A study from the Journal of Urology found that up to 80% of men over 80 experience declining vitality. And it starts as early as your 40s. It's not failure, it's physiology. Now here's the good news. Your body still remembers. When you activate your legs, your core, and your pelvic base, blood flow improves, muscle memory returns, and hormones respond.
There are thousands of exercises out there, but only a few truly solve the problem you're facing. Choosing the right one makes all the difference.
That's exactly what these next 3 exercises are designed to do. And all it takes? Just a few focused minutes a day. Now let's break down the first exercise. Exercise 1, squats, reignite power from the ground up. Why start with squats? Simple. They activate some of the largest and most influential muscle groups in your body. Your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. These aren't just leg muscles. They're the engine room of strength and hormone stimulation. Every time you perform a squat, you're encouraging better circulation to your lower body and pelvic region. You're also helping your body naturally produce more testosterone, a key hormone tied to energy, endurance, and drive. How to do it? Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Lower yourself slowly as if sitting into a chair, keeping knees aligned with your toes. Go as low as is comfortable, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to return to standing, squeezing your glutes at the top. Start with 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Keep your movements controlled and focus on engaging your entire lower body. Why it matters? Squats don't just build muscle. They support posture, activate the pelvic floor, and increase endurance. With time, they lay the foundation for better physical performance in every area of life. Ready for the next move? Let's keep going. Exercise 2, planks. Strengthen your core, stabilize your power. At first glance, the plank might seem too simple, but don't be fooled. It's one of the most powerful exercises for building real functional strength where it counts. The plank targets the entire core, your abdominals, obliques, lower back, and even your glutes. But beyond muscle engagement, planks improve control, the kind of control your body relies on for stability, posture, and endurance. It also plays a crucial role in stress reduction. Holding a plank teaches the body to stay calm under pressure, physically and mentally. How to do it? Lie face down on the floor. Place your forearms directly beneath your shoulders. Press up into a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, glutes, and legs. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Start with 20 to 30 seconds. Gradually increase to 60 seconds as strength improves. Why it matters? A strong core is the foundation for movement, balance, and stamina, both in and out of workouts. Planks reinforce control, boost endurance, and support nearly every functional motion you do each day. Let's move on to the third and final exercise. Exercise 3, glute bridge. Activate the pelvic engine. It may look simple, but the glute bridge is one of the most overlooked yet powerful movements for men over 40. It zeroes in on the glutes, hamstrings, and most importantly, the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles form the foundation of strength, balance, and control. When activated properly, they support circulation, reduce tension in the lower back, and enhance muscular endurance in the areas that matter most. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Rest your arms by your sides. Engage your core and push through your heels to lift your hips upward. At the top, squeeze your glutes. Your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower down slowly with control. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Focus on control, not speed, to fully activate the target muscles. Why it matters? The glute bridge reinforces the posterior chain and strengthens the muscles that support erectile performance, stability, and longevity. It's low impact but high reward, and a perfect way to close out this 3-part foundation. Practice these 3 exercises consistently, and you'll begin to feel the difference. Not just in your body, but in your confidence, your energy, and your life. Final thoughts.
Do these 3 exercises daily, and you won't just feel stronger. You'll move with more control, more energy, and real confidence.
And there you have it. 3 simple movements, backed by science, easy to start, powerful when practiced. The results? More than physical. This is about how you carry yourself, how you show up for your health, your relationships, your life. No pressure, no perfection, just progress. Start small, stay consistent, and if this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to see it. Take care and keep moving forward.